Hi guys, welcome to another video from Bellydance with Tahira series. This time it is another and the last video in this series because we already done all the basic steps, movements, figures in oriental dance, which allow you to put them together in nice combinations and basic choreographies. And this is what we are going to do today. We will do a fragment of a choreography, basic choreography, which will show you how you can put together the movements and how you can create a dance with what you already learned from the past lessons. And if you are interested to learn the whole choreography, drop me a line on my email address and I will leave all the info down below in the description box. And we will start with our choreography. We will go from our right side in a small circle. I will show you first what figure we will do and then I will show you what steps we're gonna use. So we go like this. We go to the center, then we make a turn and we go back to the center with our left side to the mirror or to the screen. And what we are going to do is these steps. 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, and then you put your leg up. And again, 1, 2, 3, and up, 1, 2, 3, and up. Up is here with a nice point in your feet, leg more or less 90 degrees, and you keep your leg near your knee. So this is like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and you put the opposite hand to your face, like you want to lean on it, but you're of course not leaning because you would look a little bit not so attractive. You just put your hand in a delicate manner to your cheek, and this is the opposite hand with the leg. So if you go, it's like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and the last component is that you lean a little bit to the back. So you go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and this step we use to make this little circle. So you start from your right side and you go with your right leg 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and you finish like this with your left side to the front. And now from this you go with half of a big circle, hip circle of course, so half of a big circle, your body weight is on the left leg and you go with 3 twists in an accent manner to the front. So you go twist, 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 like individual movements. Yes, 1, 2, and 3. Then you finish the big circle with the other half to the back. Now your body weight is on the right leg and you take your left leg to the position here, and then you go with your hip and you're doing drops in front, back, and now on spot. And the fourth one is with a change in your body level, so you go a little bit down. So you go front, back, center, down. Once again, front, back, center, down. Okay, so once again from here, half of a circle and twist, twist, twist. The other half of a circle position and front, back, center, down. From here, you take your hands and you take your legs and you go up, then you cross, make a flamenco turn and you finish to the other diagonal, and then your hands, your wrists are doing the circle movements down, and then you go up with snake arms, up, 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 up. Once again, we're down and you're going up, you cross your hands, cross legs, flamenco turn, and down, 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 and up, up, up. Okay, let's try to repeat it one more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and half of a circle. Twist, twist, twist. Half of a circle. Front, back, center, down, and cross your hands, cross your legs, flamenco turn, down, 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 up, 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 up. And here we will have a series of accents. We will start with accent in our right hip and it will be a drop. So you're doing drop, then you once again cross your legs and do a flamenco turn. Now you're doing accent with your chest, down, once again cross and turn. And this turn is also an accent. So you go like drop and drop and now you're putting your left hand leg it would be difficult, left hand to the back of your hand, and you're doing accent with your shoulder, one accent to the front. And now you're not crossing and not turning, but you're doing step and you change the diagonal to the other side. So now your right hand is on the back of your head and your left shoulder is making an accent. And once again you're doing a step and change, but now the hands are staying in the position. So slowly, one more time, you're here and you're doing shoulder, step, change, shoulder, step, change. You finish to the right, to the left diagonal, still in the same position. And let's do it one more time. And shoulder, step, change, shoulder, step, change. And you finish this accent with one more chest drop, hop, and then two accents in your belly, in. So in, in. And this is the end of the accent series and also the end of our combo. So once again with the accents, you are here, you're starting with a drop. Drop, cross, turn, and chest, cross, turn, and shoulder, step, change, and shoulder, step, change, and chest, belly in, belly in. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, cross, turn, and chest, cross, turn, and shoulder, step, change, and shoulder, step, change, and chest, in, in. Okay, let's try it one more time from the beginning with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, and half, and twist, twist, twist. The other half, and front, back, center, down, go up and cross and turn, and wrists, 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 snake, arms up, and drop, cross, turn, and chest, cross, turn, and shoulder, step, change, and shoulder, step, change, and chest, in, in. Okay, and now let's try to do this fragment along with the music.
فكرني هعاتبك والومك وحاسبك فكرني هعاتبك والومك وحاسبك بكره شوق يناديك واشوف فاكرني هعاتبك والومك وحاسبك فاكرني هعاتبك والومك وحاسبك بكره شوق يناديك واشوفك معايا وتطلب رضايا بكره تشوف بعينيك يا حبيبي لو فاكر احساسي لعبة فوق لنفسك فوق بكرة البعد يعذب قلبك وتدوب من الشوق لو فاكر احساسي لعبة فوق لنفسك فوق بكرة البعد يعذب قلبك وتدوب من الشوق واشوفك معايا وتطلب رضايا بكرة تشوف بعينيك يا حبيبي
I hope you liked this fragment of choreography. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn whole choreography, write to me on my email. I will leave all the details down below in the description box. Also, if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications to be notified about all new videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for spending time with me during this video and all other videos from the beginner series. Hope you enjoyed it and see you soon in other videos on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much. Bye!